first thing to keep in mind. All of us must be aware of the need to take care of the environment. No one can do it for us. Of course, our efforts are very small and they will not solve the underlying problem. But we can rest assured that we have done the right thing and what was in our power to help. Find out online about the instructions given by the authorities in your area for recycling. In some places, the recycling material must be put in white bags. So get required bag and inform everyone in the house where all the recycling should be put. Remember, the white bag is for recycling, not food scraps.
Alright.
Remember, the white bag is for recycling, no food scraps. Alright.
Choose an appropriate place to deposit this bag until it's full, and that makes it easier for those who live in your house to dispose of the waste that is going to be recycled. At first, you must remember it several times, but then it becomes a habit. What things can you recycle? Metal, plastic containers, glass, paperboard. No, Sam, you are wrong. That is not ordinary garbage. It's recycling. But be careful not to throw broken glass. It's very dangerous for the people who are responsible for separating the materials. I recommend that you wash and rinse the container that have had contact with food. It will not take you long and it will prevent bad smells and insects from arriving. When your bag is full, you can take it outside to be collected by the entity in charge of public cleaning services. That's all. It's so easy, and you are doing the environment a huge favor. Thank you for watching. Bye.